was the captain of RCB in IPL 2025? The options are A. Rajat Patidar, B. Faf du Plessis, C. Glenn Maxwell. The correct answer is Rajat Patidar. Where was the IPL 2025 final match held where RCB won their first ever title? Option are A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Narendra Modi Stadium. The correct answer is Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Which bowler took the most wickets for RCB in IPL 2025? The options are A. Mohammad Siraj, B. Yash Dayal, C. Josh Hazlewood. The correct answer is Josh Hazlewood. Who scored the most runs for RCB in IPL 2025? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Rajat Patidar, C. Faf du Plessis. The correct answer is Virat Kohli. Which player won the Player of the Match award twice for RCB? The options are A. Josh Hazlewood, B. Krunal Pandya, C. Yash Dayal. The correct answer is Krunal Pandya. Which player hit the fastest 50 for RCB in 2025? The options are A. Rajat Patidar, B. Romario Shepherd, C. Phil Salt. The correct answer is Romario Shepherd. Which RCB player scored a blazing half-century off just 22 balls in IPL 2025? The options are A. Dinesh Karthik, B. Glenn Maxwell, C. Jitesh Sharma. The correct answer is Jitesh Sharma. Which bowler most frequently bowled the final over in RCB's wins during IPL 2025? The options are A. Yash Dayal, B. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, C. Josh Hazlewood. The correct answer is Yash Dayal. Who had the highest batting strike rate for RCB in IPL 2025? The options are A. Rajat Patidar, B. Romario Shepherd, C. Virat Kohli. The correct answer is Romario Shepherd. Which domestic Indian player impressed most for RCB in the IPL 2025 season? The options are A. Rajat Patidar, B. Rasik Dar Salam, C. Suyash Sharma. The correct answer is Rajat Patidar. Who was RCB's head coach in IPL 2025? The options are A. Sanjay Bangar, B. Andy Flower, C. Mike Hesson. The correct answer is Andy Flower. Which overseas player made the biggest impact for RCB in 2025? The options are A. Glenn Maxwell, B. Cameron Green, C. Josh Hazlewood. The correct answer is Josh Hazlewood. Who did RCB beat in the IPL 2025 final to win their maiden title? The options are A. Punjab Kings, B. Mumbai Indians, C. Chennai Super Kings. The correct answer is Punjab Kings. Who was RCB's primary wicketkeeper in 2025? The options are A. Anuj Rawat, B. Dinesh Karthik, C. Jitesh Sharma. The correct answer is Jitesh Sharma. Who was awarded the Player of the Match in the IPL 2025 final for RCB? The options are A. Krunal Pandya, B. Josh Hazlewood, C. Rajat Patidar. The correct answer is Krunal Pandya, who was awarded the Most Valuable Player (MVP) of IPL 2025. The options are A. Sai Sudharsan, B. Surya Kumar Yadav, C. Josh Hazelwood. The correct answer is Surya Kumar Yadav. Which spinner produced the most impactful bowling performance for RCB in IPL 2025? The options are A. Suyash Sharma, B. Himanshu Sharma, C. Glenn Maxwell. The correct answer is Suyash Sharma. Which player was RCB's X-Factor in finishing matches in 2025? The options are A. Jitesh Sharma, B. Liam Livingstone, C. Romario Shepherd. The correct answer is Romario Shepherd, who was awarded RCB Player of the Season by fans for IPL 2025. The options are A. Josh Hazelwood, B. Phil Salt, C. Virat Kohli. The correct answer is Virat Kohli, who scored the highest individual score for RCB in IPL 2025. The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Jitesh Sharma, C. Faf du Plessis. The correct answer is Jitesh Sharma, who was RCB's most economical bowler in IPL 2025. The options are A. Krunal Pandya, B. Yash Dayal, C. Karan Sharma. The correct answer is Krunal Pandya. Which player made his IPL debut for RCB in 2025? The options are A. Suyash Sharma, B. Mayank Dagar, C. Jacob Bethel. The correct answer is Jacob Bethel. Which RCB player hit the most sixes in IPL 2025? The options are A. Jitesh Sharma, B. Philip Salt, C. Virat Kohli. The correct answer is Philip Salt, who was RCB's standout uncapped Indian all-rounder in IPL 2025. The options are A. Suyash Sharma, B. Mahipal Lomra, C. Manoj Bhandej. The correct answer is Manoj Bhandej, who was RCB's official wicketkeeper in most IPL 2025 matches. The options are A. Jitesh Sharma, B. Dinesh Karthik, C. Phil Salt. The correct answer is Phil Salt. Which uncapped Indian player emerged as RCB's standout performer in IPL 2025? The options are A. Yash Dayal, B. Mohit Rathi, C. Manoj Bhandej. The correct answer is Yash Dayal. What is the home ground of the Royal Challengers Bangalore? The options are A. M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, B. M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, C. Narendra Modi Stadium. The correct answer is M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. Who was RCB's impact substitute most frequently used? The options are A. Anuj Rawat, B. Karan Sharma, C. Rajat Patidar. The correct answer is Rajat Patidar. Who was RCB's leading fielder in terms of catches during IPL 2025? The options are A. Phil Salt, B. Glenn Maxwell, C. Faf du Plessis. The correct answer is Phil Salt. Which international player made a surprise comeback for RCB during the IPL 2025 playoffs? The options are A. Mohit Rathi, B. Josh Hazlewood, C. Tim David. The correct answer is Josh Hazlewood.